Hello and welcome to another morning market update by me, Peter Switzer. It is the 14th of August and another positive night on the stock market. The Dow up for over 400 points. The other four, with three other indexes, the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Russell, all doing very well. And people keep asking me, how come? How come the market keeps doing so well? Well, it's quite simple. Company reporting in the US has been better than expected. Inflation's come in lower than expected. Therefore, rate cuts are likely, particularly given the fact that the economy is slowing down, as the job numbers have recently shown. So more rate cuts are coming. That's always good for the stock market. Donald Trump is promising deregulation and tax cuts. So that's a long-term reason for them to buy the market. And then, of course, we've got artificial intelligence, which is really working in lots of businesses. It's probably being overhyped, and one day we'll learn that. But at this point in time, companies are liking the potential of AI, and it's really helping the share price. And also there's a rotation going on. Like the Magnificent Seven stocks have been doing really well, a bit like our CBA, the banks, Telstra. These sorts of companies have done really well, top 20 companies here, and now they're rotating out, the market's rotating out into other companies that will benefit from lower interest rates. Same thing's going on in the US, and it's driving the market forward. And see, Trump is a guy who's really worried about the stock market's reaction to him. So he's going to make decisions all the time that help the stock market. It won't go on forever, but I think we just have to enjoy it while it's happening. I personally waited until I saw that US CPI number. That made me more inclined to put my clients' money back into the market. But there will be a time when we'll have to turn tail and run, but I don't think the time is now. Now, I want to finish off by giving you the top 10 billionaires in the world. And guess what? Donald Trump's, I don't think he's there, but Warren Buffett definitely has fallen out of the top 10. I'll give you the top 10 right now. Elon Musk is number one with $379 billion. Larry Ellison, that's Dell. Mark Zuckerberg, that's Facebook, of course. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. Larry Page, Steve Ballmer, Sergey Brin, Jensen Huang, Bernard Arnault, Michael Dell, and Warren Buffett has number 11. But, this is an extraordinary list of very, very successful people with great businesses. Arnault, of course, is Louis Vuitton. Wang is that company we hadn't heard of before, called NVIDIA. It's become huge. Steve Ballmer was a former boss of Microsoft. I interviewed him when he came to Australia. An interesting guy. Don't tell me Microsoft wasn't doing all that well. Unusual, fantastic list of unusually successful people, but really the strange part of the story is that Buffett, who's one of the greatest investors of all time, has dropped down to a number 11 with only $141 billion. Well, that's my morning update. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget, always look for the short-term news that can help your investment decisions, but invest in good quality companies for the long term. Talk to you tomorrow.